We saw about multiple assignments and then we went for variables. So now what we are going to see is we are going to look into this placeholder concept. So what is the placeholder concept is like we are going to put percentages, percentage D that we used in C to be replaced by some inputs. The same thing we are going to do. So for doing so, I'm going to introduce a variable name which is going to hold a Raj. It is a simple data. If you want to combine some data with this Raj, what we'll do is we'll be using plus symbol, like name plus the data that is going to be concatenated with Raj. That is what we saw in the previous video. So there is some indentation error. We can give some space. Okay, so it is clear, like now it is okay. If you want to replace Raj with some another data, say randomly you have to give some data, what we can do is Python gives an opportunity that is the placeholder, like we talked about this now earlier. We can put percentages instead of Raj over there, so the percentages can be replaced with any set of values. So we can see it in this example. So I'm going to put percentages instead of Raj. I'm going to write a percentages. That's it. I'll leave a space and I'm going to put the same sentence, place cricket good. Now what I'm now just while we are printing that, it simply prints the percentages. So if you want to replace some values for that percentages, what should we do is like name percentage symbol, and in the bracket we are going to give the value that is to be replaced with percentages. Then you have to press the enter, you will get something. Okay, I didn't give in double quotes, so string we are going to give string, so I have to give a double quotes name percentage. Inside the double quotes I have to give Kumar. If I just print it now, it will give the output that is Kumar plays cricket, good cricket. So in this way, like we have to follow. If you want to give two names, say if you want to replace two strings, what you have to do is like the same thing, like we have to put percentages two times. Name, so I will do some other variable that is percentages. Let me say I'm going to print the age. So okay, age is something 30. So if you give like this, we just printed, it will print like percentages, age is 30. If you want to replace those percentages, what I have to do is same thing that we have done before, that is n percentage, and I'm going to give two variables, two inputs, that is Raj, Kumar. You need to give into the double quotes because we are using percentages. Percentages mean it is going to get string. And you see there in between percentages I left some spaces. If you leave some spaces, it is going to print it that way. See, it is Raj space Kumar. So this is, in this way we can replace string here. Suppose you want to replace number, what is the procedure is? You have to use percentage D. And the same thing I am going to write with percentages, and I am going to give percentage D at the final. Let us, instead of 30, I am going to give percentage D. So while giving input, what I am going to do is I am going to give three inputs now, which will be same like n percentage. I am going to put the double quote. Within double quotes, I am going to give Raj, Kumar. So if you are going to replace string, you have to give it in a double quotes. If you are going to give number, you can give directly, like you don't want any quotations. Say 30, that's it. You need to put comma in between this variables, the values, sorry. The first case will be replaced with Raj, the second case will be replaced with Kumar, and the third one will be replaced with 30. See, I have given percentage D, so you can see that is an output given to them. So simple recap, like initially what we are given is we started with the variable, and then we assigned percentage yes for the value that is to be replaced. So I given Raj initially, name is equal to Kumar, in that way I given name double quotes Kumar. So Kumar replaces that percentages. Then we started with two strings, how we can replace two strings. Then I went for two strings and that integer data type. Thank you.